factors, but we don't particularly have that in the ear. You have that on your fingertips, for example, or the soles of your feet. And then the outermost layer of the epidermis is called a stratum corneum. And that's when these keratinocyte skin cells become corneocytes. So they're the same skin cells, but they undergo physical and metabolic changes. So whereas keratinocyte skin cells have a nucleus, they have intracellular fluid, they have organelles, when they finally are pushed up the layers from the stratum basal to the stratum spinolosum to the stratum granulosum, eventually to the stratum corneum, they no longer have the nucleus, they no longer have any organelles, they no longer have any intracellular fluid. So technically speaking, they're dead skin cells. But all that keratin is released. So keratin is a protein that's also found in your fingernails and hair. And also all these natural moisturizing factors are released. And the function of the natural moisturizing factors is to just absorb just enough moisture in the air to keep the corneocyte skin cells moisturized. Otherwise, all of the exterior of our skin, all of our body, all the skin will be extremely dry. So these corneocyte skin cells with these natural moisturizing factors, they're designed to just absorb enough moisture to keep the skin hydrated enough. The keratin provides structure. It provides some robustness to the skin because it's exposed to the external physical world. It provides some rigidity. Keratin also is hydrophobic, so it's designed to repel water. So it's kind of like a balancing act. We don't want too much water in the corneum stratum, because then the skin becomes overhydrated and it macerates, it kind of bursts at the membrane. So there's a balancing act there. You've got natural moisturizing factors that absorb just enough moisture, and the keratin prevents it from over-absorbing too much water. So so the natural moisturizing factors in the corneocyte skin cells are hydrophilic, so they're water-loving, and the keratin is hydrophobic. Keratin also helps to prevent penetration of harmful UV sun rays. So it's like a natural defense mechanism contained within the skin cells